Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Durian. Joe says no to Caribbean Love concert. Chairman of Caribbean Love now, Joseph Bogdanovich, intends to support the hurricane-ravaged islands of the Bahamas through his Caribbean Love Now initiative. Speaking at the Caribbean Love Now press conference held this morning at the H&L Rapid True Value location on Constant Spring Road, Bogdanovich noted that for this benefit, he will not take the route of a concert.
I think there might be another concert planned that we might be involved in also. But what we're doing is they need help now. That's why we call it Caribbean Love Now. And we're donating, one of the donation people that are putting money into this thing, just like any person that comes into the store to donate their change, it's all there in a communal effort to help people in need.
In November 2017, Bogdanovich launched the Caribbean Love Now initiative through a Jamathon concert to raise money for Caribbean countries hit by Hurricanes Irma and Maria in September of that year. The concert received support from members of the Jamaican music fraternity, including Third World, Beres Hammond, Sean Paul, Beanie Man, Jack Cure, and Toots and the Maytals, and saw Jamaicans donating cash and kind. Down Sound Records head honcho outlined how the concert proceeds from the Jamathon concert were distributed.
We shipped 2 containers, big containers of lumber and other building materials to Dominica. We donated $250,000 US to Dominica. One was part of that went to a school, rebuilding a school, and another one was to rebuild a section of a hospital. We found out who is doing the building. We interviewed people. We know people by their first names about who is responsible for what, and this money being spent correctly.
Honorary Counsel for the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, Alvita Knight, shared her appreciation for the support.
Cannot express our gratitude sufficiently. This is just one of the many gestures that Jamaicans have taken or have given to my country. So when we have people like Joe, when we have companies like H&L, and when we have people like the Jamaican citizens, I mean, it's just overwhelmingly blessing. We're just overwhelmingly blessed. See, I'm gonna cry. But we are very thankful. We are very grateful.
Earlier this month, Hurricane Durian ravaged sections of the Bahamas, reportedly killing at least 50 people, with over 1,000 persons still unaccounted for. Now, Kendrick Lamar has created chart history. Rapper Kendrick Lamar's debut album Good Kid, Mad City is now being honored as the longest charting hip-hop studio album in Billboard 200 history. The 2012 album Good Kid, Mad City has officially become the longest charting album to consistently maintain a position on the charts in Billboard 200 history with 358 weeks. This also means that he has surpassed the previous title holder, Eminem, with the Eminem Show, which charted for 357 weeks. Good Kid, Mad City was certified 3 times platinum in 2018. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Durian. Thank you for watching.